My laptop shit the bed. Right in the middle of me making a video that caused all kinds of hell. There was knocking on my walls, scratching on my walls. It just didn't make any sense. The dog went nuts. It was a biblical video. It was about the Bible, and I just deleted the video. I'm not posting it online, and I don't even know why I deleted it and didn't post it. I was supposed to post it. I just accidentally deleted it. You guys were supposed to be able to see and hear everything going crazy in here with the computer freezing up, the knocking on the wall from the other side, the dog barking like crazy, and my computer crashed. So now I'm using another one. That's why the screen is not so big. My mouse won't go up. Earthquakes. 4.7, 7 hours ago. Lambas, Fiji. 7 hours ago. 5.6, Fiji Islands. 7 hours ago. 5.6, Fiji Islands region. As we back up from here, because we have a heck of a day going on here, guys. We got a very active day. Not looking too good. Let's zoom in over here, Hawaii. We have a 3.29, Captain Hook, Hawaii. Hey, Captain Hook. Where's Peter Pan? Is he over here? Nope. 75 minutes ago, 3.5, Kalua, Hawaii. Let's jump right on in, shall we? 4.8, North Pacific Ocean, 5 hours ago. This is what concerns me a little bit. I haven't seen a little cluster like this in a while. 3.7, 11 hours ago, Fairview, Oklahoma. 74 minutes ago, 3.3 of Alvey, Oklahoma. Small one here, 2.1, Stillwater, Oklahoma. This is a little higher than I'd like to see it for this area. Usually we see it around 2.7, 2.4, but I did say that they were going to increase over time. I did give forewarning of that. Not too much activity up here, quite small in fact. 2.7 was probably the biggest one 58 minutes ago of Archer Point, Alaska. You see, folks, when you don't have a lot of activity going on and it's very quiet, there's a lot of pressure buildup in the area. Let's come over to Puerto Rico. Puerto Rico seems to be having a lot of little ones. 2.81, 6 hours ago. San Antonio, Puerto Rico. 2.5. Puerto Rico, Puerto Real. 1.67. Puerto Rico, Ensenadas. And the rest of them are quite small. 2.21, Roadtown, British Virginia Islands. Okay, let's follow suit. Let's go over here. Now, 4.7, 9 hours ago, Tesnori, Georgia. 3 hours ago, 4.6, Tangugalashan, China. And if I'm not mistaken, we might have more than one here. Maybe not. Okay. 4.9, Asia, Japan. So we had a little bit of an active day. It's not too bad. We can honestly say, though, that I don't like the spread out here, and I definitely don't like the spread out down through here. As we come down, we just do a quick scroll through, just so you see how it's been looking. Okay. All right, beautiful. Now that that is done, let's hop over to spaceweather.com, shall we? Okay, news and information about meteor showers and auroras and all the good stuff that comes with it. Look at this strawberry moon. There's a full moon this Friday, June 9th. According to folklore, it has a special name, the strawberry moon. It gets its name from June-bearing strawberry plants, which have a short 3-week harvest season that begins about now. I don't like the sounds of that, guys. Sink your teeth into and enjoy the strawberry moonlight. Strawberry sounds like a blood color, does it not? So blood moon along with harvest season. I can officially think we are now in harvest season. That's not looking good, guys. Not after the videos I've just been making. We're on a timeline here. I showed you the tape runs out pretty soon here when peace and security are preached. Know that the time for the door and him to walk through it is nigh. Faith saves, but the end is nigh, guys. The end is nigh. Listen, if you hadn't gone into my other video, the newest video I made, I figured out the timeline, and I also, in the beginning of that video, I got them admitting the New World Order has existed for 70 plus years. Very creepy what they're doing, guys. It's almost time. I don't think we have until September, to be honest. Really, I don't think we do. Quite. Let's play this and see, and then I'll read it and see what we got. Well, it's opening when complete. And here we go. Let's see what we got here, guys. This ought to be interesting. Oh boy. Those look like solar filaments, doesn't it? Wow, guys. Look at that. That is a little nuts, huh? So let's just come up here and read. Slow solar flare. Solar flares occur when magnetic fields get tangled. Lines of magnetic force above sunspot crisscross and explode in a flash of electromagnetic radiation. This process, called magnetic recognition, usually happens in a matter of minutes. Earlier today, NASA's Solar Dynamics Observatory witnessed an explosion that took 2 hours to unfold. So, could that be why my computer shit the bed? Because it was, I don't know. My computer is fried, guys. It turns on, but won't give me a screen. This leisurely C1 class solar flare happened in the magnetic canopy of sunspots. The magnetic umbrella, or umbra, as SO observers, suspicious observers would call it. AR 2661, often slow explosions like this one, use their name to gather momentum. Slow flares fail to produce CMEs. It's a minor mystery that underscores the continued unpredictability of space weather. Double solar eclipse on Jupiter. Look at this, guys. No, guys. No. No, this looks... No. Let's see. Millions of people are looking forward to a total eclipse of the sun on August 21st, 2017. Really? Could the sun go black for 3 days then? I don't know. We have to find out. On June 3rd, wait a minute, June 3rd is when I captured the planet going by the sun on Suspicious Observers. That is kind of freaky. So, whatever that planet was is correlating with these. Ed Lamello of Sacramento, California, video recorded the shadows of Lo and Ganymede lancing across the giant planet's cloud tops. Let's see, guys. Let's download this. Oh, we don't gotta download it. Look at this. You see these planets? You see that planet? Look, guys. Something weird about this or what? What's going on with these? That doesn't look right. We have a ton of planets there, and they could possibly be in connection with the Nebula system, and they just might be lying to us. Isn't this interesting? Okay. Let's come down here and check this out, huh? That's part 1, this is part 2. But they seem to both be the same. This one's moving slower, so let's check that out. Yeah, guys, I don't like the looks of that. And they all look like they have a black center. At least this one and this one does. This one seems to look like it's completely lit up with no black center. That is not cool looking, guys, because we've been seeing black spots in our sun and everything else, which I've explained what the black spot is. It is the planet that goes in front of the sun, and they got to turn the sun simulator on to cover it up. So, we can get out of here. We can come back down here. Within those dark circular shadows, Jovan Day turned to night as the moons overhead blocked the sun. Wait, excuse me? Turned to night as the moon overhead blocked the sun. Okay, 2 total eclipses were underway at the same time. Envious earthlings can take solace eclipses on Jupiter aren't nearly as beautiful as they are on our planet here on Earth. The moon and sun are almost precisely the same size. Wait, what they say? Here on Earth, the moon and sun are almost precisely the same size. An incredible coincidence that produces phenomenon such as Bailey's beads and the diamond ring. When the disk of the sun is so precisely covered, we can see the ghostly tendrils of the sun's outer atmosphere, the corona, shimmering across the sky. Did they just literally say the moon and sun are almost precisely the same size? That sounds like something that somebody I heard say plenty of times. On Jupiter, however, local moons appear to be much larger than the distant sun. LO, for example, is 6 times wider than the solar disk. It completely swallows the sun's corona. This mismatch in size mitigates the beauty of the occasion. The best eclipses are the homegrown, after all. Well, guys, I don't think they're telling us the truth. And why is this missing? And why was there only one fireball? Something's not right with that. We have a problem. Okay, June 6th It was 1 lunar distances away. Velocity 10.1 or 10.7, and it was 24 in diameter. That's pretty freaking close, guys. That is really close, actually. Wow. Okay, now we're gonna have one on the 24th of June. It's gonna be 7. Well, this one here, we're talking 23rd of July, which is going to be 3.2 lunar distances, 5.8 velocity, 54 diameter. That sounds a little freaked out, but wow, guys, I don't like the sounds of this. Let's go to Earth Changes. Let's get us a update on them. We'll go to earthchanges.com. Well, we'll have to do this one then. Sorry it's taking so long to load. It is a notebook after all. It is not the best, and we are having reception problems today. As you can see, my bar has dropped one. We are not getting anything here, so let me just click this space weather. Let me see what we got for our sun. See how it's been acting. I figured I would bring you the up to date here. So this is what hit us today. Right here, we had a filament snap. That's exactly what that was. And these don't seem to want to play too good. Little snap, crackle, and pop coming off that sucker. I don't like the way our sun is acting, and look at how far out it is over here. And look at this gap. Like, what is up with the gap? Okay, let's hear it from our boy. SuspiciousObservers.com. You see what I'm saying, guys? We are experiencing problems. My bar is loaded and it won't play still. So this seems to be the problem. Look what's popping up. Oh, okay, good. He's added some pieces and some features. That's good. I like the fact that he's got the other guy's live earthquakes on there. But it looks like because of the activity from the sun with the solar flares, it is causing a problem. Is it not? Doesn't want to load even though it is loaded. Hey, this is what I get. This is what I get, ladies and gentlemen. When our bars start dropping down, I had my bars dropped all the way down to 1. It went into the quotation mark and basically said, yeah, we're not working today. So I don't know what's going on, guys, but our technology seems to be a little shot. I don't know if anybody else is experiencing these problems, but as you see, it keeps loading. It already is loaded. It should be playing with no problem. The only reason why it doesn't play with no problem is because something's interfering.
Good morning, folks. Little sun.
See? You understand what I'm saying. Look, we can pause it for a minute, and that wheel goes away, but as soon as you hit play, it starts right back up. Like as if this thing ain't loaded at all. It's because we are getting hit with solar flares, and they don't want to tell you that they're more powerful than what they really are telling you, guys. So we're not messing with that. We're not going to mess with it. We're going to come down and take a look, because everything else, oh, now it's frozen. Look at this. Look at this. They're really playing games. I can't get lucky here. Let's just click this. See, this seems to be playing just fine. Oh, I didn't like that. As you see the snap come out. But look at how dark green that is. And look at how much there is now. It's increasing intensity. We just seem to be constantly in a stream now. It doesn't seem to go away. It's constantly coming at us. I remember 4 weeks ago, it didn't look anything like this. It was beautifully clean, maybe a couple green spots here and there. But now it's intensifying, ladies and gentlemen. Doesn't that tell you something? That's got to tell you something, guys. It's got to tell you that we just... It's not good, guys. We definitely have something on our side of the sun and the other side of the sun. There's no doubt about it. There's no doubt about it. Because the way that these things are acting shouldn't be acting like this. So, that concludes your space weather earthquakes for the day. If you have any questions, leave a comment, like, share, and subscribe. All World News out.